Hi friends, in this video we're talking about the basic form of salt. Basically, as far as basic form is concerned, it's just like you are taking a rational number under square root, you are reducing it to its simplest form, right? You are reducing it to its simplest form. Now, I have the equation in two form. The first one is reduce the following to its basic form, and the second one is write the following basic form in their single sort form. It's just like I'm moving from basic to the to the from simplest to the highest, and from highest back to the simplest. Now, as far as this is concerned, the first thing I'm going to do here is that, no, suppose I'm giving root of what, 125, right? And I'm asked to what, to reduce it to its simplest form. First thing I need to notice that what are the factors of 125? That's just the first thing. What are the factors of 125? So the factors of 125 is actually, let's say, that's 25 multiplied by 5. 25 multiplied by 5 is the factors of what, of 125. Then I can simply put root on it. So now after that I can separate this, right? I can separate it to what, to be root of what, to be root of 25, then multiplied by what, by root of what, of 5. So now this is an arithmetic number that cannot be, that the root cannot be determined, right? Root of 5, its roots cannot be determined. Then what of root of 25? Its roots can be what, can be determined, because 25 came from 5 multiplied by 5. We can actually get 25 from it. So now here I'm just going to put this as what, as 5, then multiply by what, root of what, 5. So this is simply 5 root 5. So this is the basic form of this expression. Now the second one is root of 45, right? Root of 45. I'm giving root of 45. So another thing I need to consider here is that, okay, what are the factors of 45? Factors of 45 is simply 5 multiplied by what, 9. Then I can simply introduce what, root to it. Then if I to introduce root to it, now I'm going to have this to be equal to what, that's actually square root of what, of 9. Then multiply by what, root of what, of 5. So root of 9 is actually 3, right? So this is actually 3 root 5. So this is the simplest form. Now the next one, I'm having the third one, which is what, 98, root of 98. So I need to find an expression that if I should multiply it together, it will give me 98. So if I should go ahead and divide this by 2, that's actually 49 exactly. So 49 can actually go. So you can just have this to be root of the factors, which are 49 multiplied by what, by 2. So now if I should have root of 49 multiplied by 2, then this simply means I'm having root of what, of 49, then multiply by what, root of what, of 2. So root of 49 is what, is 7. So this is actually 7 root 2. So this is the basic or simplest form of this expression. So that's just it about the first one. Then let's move to the second piece. Write the following basic form in their single sort form. So that's what we are going to do now. We want to write the, we want to move from basic form to single sort form. So first thing we need to do is that, if you look at this outer, the coefficient outside this root, first thing you need to understand is that this thing, you can actually square it, right? For example, now what we did here is that we are finding root of what, of 49. Root of 49 is what, is 7, and 7 squared will give us what, 49. So it shows that 4 squared here is actually something. So we can actually say this is actually 4 squared. 4 squared is actually 16. So you can just say this is what, root of 16, then multiply by what, root of what, of 3. Right? So after that, you can just have this word to be, that's simply root of what, of 16 multiplied by what, 3, which is what, that's actually something, right? So this should give us something like 48. So in this case, we are going to be having root of what, of 48 exactly. So that's just the answer to the first one. Now the second one, you do the same thing as well. 6 squared is what, that's actually 36, right? So here you're going to have it to what, this will be, it's going to be root of, that's 36, right? Then multiply by what, root of what, root of 5, right? So root of 36 multiplied by root of 5, that's actually root of what, of 36 multiplied by what, 5. So root of 36 multiplied by 5, that should give us something like, I think that's actually root of 180. So this is 180. So that's it. It's very simple. Then the last one, which is what, 5 root 7. So 5 root 7, you first find your 5 squared, right? So what is 5 squared? 5 squared is what, is actually 25. That's the first thing. So after locating 25, okay, you can just say, okay, oh, if 5 squared should give you 25, then root of what, root of 25 is actually what, 5, which is this that I'm looking for. So now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to bring this, which is what? Root of what? Of 25. Then multiply by what? Root of what? Of 7. That's it. Then here I will be having root of what? Of 25. Multiply by what? 7. Which is actually root of what? Root of 175. Can you see it down? So that's just it. So we can actually say that. So we cannot say that 4 root 3 and what? And 48 are similar. You understand? They are similar. 4 root 3 and 48, they are actually what? Similar, because 4 root 3 is the basic form of root 48. Then likewise, we have 5 root 7. 5 root 7 is the what? Basic form of what? 175. Then similarly for 6 root 5. 6 root 5 is the basic form or the simplest form of what? Of 180. And 180 is their corresponding standard form, or you say corresponding whole root of arithmetic form. So that's just like, anyway, anyhow you put it. So that's just it. So if you find this video helpful, please and please do it to share, subscribe, and make, most important, kindly subscribe to my channel. You understand? And like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.